Hi, I'm Chrissy.
And I'm Mike.
And we're the co-founders of Bird and Blend Tea Company.
Bird and Blend are the UK's expert tea mixologists on a mission to spread happiness one cup at a time.
We're an independent business that started 8 years ago packing tea in our back bedroom.
When we started the business, one of the first things Chrissy and I did was go to a pub and write a list of what was important to us. We decided we wanted to make business decisions based on more than just profit. We wanted to be environmentally sustainable, we wanted to send as little waste to landfill as we could, we wanted to provide amazing experiences to people on both sides of the counter and give our teams opportunities as best as we could. It's great that those values are just as important to our team and our community as they are to us.
So we're blend specialists and we use all sorts of magical ingredients to create wonderful flavours of loose leaf tea. And we started off with about 20 blends, and over the years we've grown into loose leaf tea, tea bags, lots of gifts, and we do independent collaborations with other brands, and we sell teaware too. I also create a monthly box of teas for our Tea Tasting Club members. Our regular tea wall has over 100 blends, but I create new ones every season, based on things like mulled cider for Christmas and Eton mess for the summertime.
Customer experience is everything to us, and we want to give you a great experience, whether you're coming into one of our stores, like the one I'm in, our first one in Brighton, ordering from us online, where we ship all over the world, talking to us on our social media, or meet us at one of our events. I've always been a bit of an eco nerd, so to me personally, growing sustainability has always been super important. Our tea bags have always been plastic free right from the very beginning, and we want to make our packaging as eco-friendly as it can be. We're even developing our own new technologies to achieve this.